Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Whitney Kmetz, a nutrition educator out of CCE, Chenango County, and today I'm going to be preparing chicken spaghetti. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes in the new year, I'm always trying to look for some new types of recipes, and I'm anxiously awaiting dinner because this is a new recipe to me, and I hope my family is really going to enjoy this one. The first thing you want to do is prepare the chicken, which is about 2 cups of chicken you want to cube and cook. And you also want to prepare 4 ounces of a whole wheat pasta. I chose to do a linguine. That's something that I had on hand today. So in this bowl, I have my cooked chicken and my 4 ounces of cooked linguine that I have ready to go. And while those things are cooking, that is the time when you want to do your peppers and onions. So you'll have 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and then you're going to saute 2 peppers and also 1 onion, so chop them up. I had a orange and a red onion, pepper on hand, and so that's what I'm going to add into this recipe. One thing that I'm really liking about how this recipe is set up is it's like you throw everything together, there's not too many steps, and it sounds super quick and easy to make for dinner. So now I have my peppers and onions in my bowl all ready to go. I'm going to add in 1 can of diced tomatoes that is undrained. I have 1 can of a cream of chicken soup. And this is something totally new. I've never made something like this before, so I'm really excited to see how this comes out. Then it calls for a 1/4 cup of Parm cheese, a 1/2 cup of a sharp cheddar, and then 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And of course, if you don't have a whole grain pasta at home, it's okay, but whole grain pasta is such a great source of fiber. And of course, your tomatoes, you can always use fresh, or you can use a soft if that's something that you have on hand too. So I'm going to add that in. And basically, all I'm going to do is just stir this up in the bowl. Now, I'm not going to put this in the oven now because it's not quite dinner time. So I'm going to just mix this all up. And when you do put this in the oven, you're going to have it at 350 degrees, and you're going to have it in there for about 20 minutes. So it's a super quick and easy one to make. So thank you so much. I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of your day.